Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I was helping somebody the other day with his logo, but they had made this background in Corel Photo Paint, and I've never used Corel Photo Paint and wouldn't know where the spray can is or whatever he called it. So I'm going to create the same thing in Corel Draw with the Artistic Media tool. I'm going to go to the spray can, and I'm going to get this brush stroke right here, this kind of blue feathery looking thing. And I'm just going to kind of draw some sporadic lines, nothing in particularly, just, something not perfect. And look what it did. Now that doesn't look like the clouds yet, but if we select it and go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap, you need to convert it to a bitmap so some effects will work. Then we're going to go to blur and use Gaussian blur. And we'll step it up a little bit and even a little bit more. And we're going to say that's okay. Then take that item. I don't like using the power clip tool, but in this case it works perfectly. Place it inside that container. And then, of course, go to Object and Order and Backup Page. And then just nudge that back up. And I almost got the same result. Looks pretty cool. Now I had to bring his logo back up yesterday. I helped him, or hopefully helped him remove these couple of white backgrounds. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.